Yeah, Charan Singh Sapra, there have been some Congress leaders who've sort of cast aspersions on these talks, saying that these were the leaders who were put under house arrest until very recently. They were called anti-national until very recently, and now they're talking. My counter to that in some ways would be, isn't that what progress is? I mean, there has been all this very thinly veiled animosity, in fact, open animosity between both sides. But isn't that, would you agree that that is precisely what, at least at the very basic level, such a meeting has achieved, to break the ice, try and put that bad blood and differences behind and move forward?
Shiv, today Prime Minister has spoken about Dil or Delhi ki Duri.
Yeah.
I wish he could have taken this initiative 2 years ago, probably in 2019, when the entire thing was being discussed. I feel if this initiative should have taken in 2019, then probably we wouldn't have seen the elected representatives going behind bars, a curfew-like situation, or emergency-like situation in entire Kashmir. And even the Jammu Kashmir assembly was bypassed. We have seen that for 11 months there was no internet in Jammu and Kashmir. Had the Prime Minister decided to do what he's doing today in 2019, I feel it would have been better.
But you would concede that today is an achievement based on what has happened, because the people who are at today's meeting...
I have a question for him, if I can ask him that, because
I think
the reason I'll tell you why. Because the reason I'm saying it is the Congress is saying so, but the very people who are under arrest and the very people who were labelled in some way or the other as anti-national by people in this government are the very people who have now seen sense in coming and finding common cause with the Prime Minister. That is definitely forward progress, Charan.
See, number one, I would like to say better late than never. Number two, the Prime Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party, who was quoting these people, all these leaders as Gupkar gang, and the Sargana of Gupkar gang, or the leaders of Gupkar gang, today they are sitting, they are ready to sit with all those leaders only. But this situation could have been avoided. We would have done what we are doing today,
which is
in 2019 only. Situation would have been better. Which has been developed in the minds of people of Jammu and Kashmir.
I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, Charan. I understand what you're saying. Srishti, how do you see this? Because it's true. What Charan says is right. But my counter to that somehow would be that that's what this all-party meeting was about. It is an acknowledgement of all the animosity and hostility that has preceded in the last 18 to 20 months since the abrogation of Article 370. And that is the reason why we need to focus on today's meeting, perhaps, and what comes after this, and not perhaps what happened before.
But who gave opportunity for this animosity? Who gave the opportunity? It was the Prime Minister and the ruling party who gave the opportunity.
Let's listen to Srishti call.
Yeah, hi Shiv.
Hi.
I have 3 points to make, and I completely agree with you. We have to, start afresh somewhere, and I think it was a good start. As usual, the meeting was expected. The demands raised by these political parties was at par with what central government was also saying. So at least, except for restoration of 370, everything is on table. Second, I have 2 more points to make. Second, I would say that it's a good step. The next step Prime Minister and the central government should do is invite regional organizations. There were a lot of resentment especially in Jammu, regarding how, many political fronts, many, regional organizations of Dogras, of even Kashmiri Pandits, and even West Pakistan refugees were not represented. Now, considering this was a all political party meeting, so they were our representatives. So I think next step should be to, talk more with, more people. Because I don't think even Prime Minister has visited J&K post 2019. So I think that should be the next step. Third, Prime Minister rightly said about Duri, Dil ki Duri and Delhi ki Duri, kam rehni chahiye. I think this should be, this should apply both to central as well as the parties from Kashmir.
Okay.
Because at least from Jammu, I can say there was never Dil Ki Duri. Jammu to hamesha Dil ke paas tha Delhi.
No, absolutely.
So
I
Dil
take
ki- yeah,
your
so
point,
Dil
Srishti,
ki-
because
so yeah.
because there has been anger among groups in Jammu. Some of them have
Yeah.
been protesting against what Mehbooba Mufti said, and they've also
Jammu,
been
just
wanting more
last one point.
representation
Jammu always
at
gets,
such talks. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Jammu-
I take your point.
Jammu always gets sandwiched between Kashmir and New Delhi, so they have to.
I'm going to
they
come
have
back to that
start
point.